Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make good pudding only ways. Start by gathering full-fat milk, sugar, eggs, and either quality cocoa or vanilla. Whisk ingredients until smooth. Warm the milk gently, then slowly temper the eggs while whisking constantly to prevent curdling. Return the mixture to low heat and stir until it coats a spoon and thickens. Cool quickly in an ice bath, then chill thoroughly for best set and flavor. Be patient and maintain low, steady heat so your pudding stays velvety and lump-free. Constant stirring distributes heat evenly and prevents the milk from scorching on the pan. Watch for the coating stage when the custard clings to a spoon. That indicates the right thickness. If any tiny egg bits form, pass the custard through a fine sieve for a silky finish. Chill with plastic wrap touching the surface to avoid skin. If you're enjoying this pudding guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. On another note, when kitchen messes pile up between batches, the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum keeps floors tidy and responds to voice control for effortless cleanup. It's a small convenience that saves time and keeps crumbs away from your prep area. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Small tweaks make a big difference to your pudding's taste and mouthfeel. A pinch of salt enhances sweetness and balances the flavors without making it salty. For a lighter dessert, fold in whipped cream once the custard is cool to create a mousse-like texture. Infuse the milk with cinnamon sticks, coffee, or citrus zest before mixing to add gentle aroma. Strain those solids out for a clean, smooth pudding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.